Hi, everybody. Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I am Heather Cody, the Eastern Teaching and Learning Specialist with the OEA.
And I am Laura Miller with the Western half of the state.
And today we have a very special guest, one of our newest employees at the OEA, Miss Brianna Flatley. She is actually an organizing specialist for the Oklahoma City Metro team, but she's also a Google certified trainer. So we thought that you guys might want to see this really cool assignment that she made, and maybe we can learn a few tricks from her. And then after we go over her assignment, we will you'll be able to ask Brianna some questions, and then we have another special Google announcement for you guys at the very end, so stay tuned.
It's going to be a great day. I'm pumped. This is the lesson that I have been trying to tell everybody that was going to happen next week and next week and next week since we started Tips and Tricks. So I am pumped. Brianna has this amazing lesson, so I'm so excited.
We even added her to our Bitmoji classroom, but I'm going to stop sharing my screen after you guys take a look at the agenda for a second, and I'm going to turn my screen share over to Brianna and let her take it from here because she's the real expert.
All right, here we go. Let's see.
Dun, dun, dun. There it goes. It worked.
All right. So yay. I'm really excited to share this with you. This is something I worked over the summer in creating for a after-school program at Putnam City. And this was by far my favorite lesson to create because I played with it all. I played with voiceovers, I played with linking, I played with transitions, and I mean, everything you can think of. So I'm really excited to share this, and please, please, please ask any questions because there's going to be a lot. But I'm really excited because there's just so much to the world of Google that I don't think educators even understand fully what could happen. So without further ado, here is my Super Mario long division that I created for under the 5th grade standards.
So cool.
This is just a little title slide, but in the next one, I wanted it to say and show that in order to do this assignment, you have to press start in the very top hand corner. Well, there we go. So you have to press share in the very top, or to start, you have to press present in the upper right hand corner.
Press start to play.
So once it started, if they could see this happening, then they were on the right screen, on the right path. And they can hit start, and it takes them to the next.
243 divided by 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 24 subtract 20 is 4. Bring down your 3. 243 divided by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 43 subtract 40 is 3. 5 cannot go into 3, so it'll become a remainder. Your answer is 48 remainder 3. And that is how you solve long division using the DMSBR method. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder.
So when they're done, they see that green arrow, they know that is what you click.
Here are some division vocabulary terms that you should know. A divisor is a number that is divided into another number. A dividend is a number that is to be divided by another number. A quotient is the number that results from the division of one number by another. This is also known as the answer. The remainder is any amount left over when a number cannot be divided exactly by another number.
So the sound you can see at the very bottom of the left-hand side is where the sound is coming from. And all of that is coming from my Google Drive. So that if they didn't quite get something, they can also hit this again.
Here are some division vocabulary terms that you should know.
And they'll hear the sound once again. So again, up in the upper right hand, this is where I always put my green arrow, so that way they can go to the next slide. Where they actually start we can hear. This is where they'll actually start playing, and every single one of these is linked to a slide, whether it's right or it's incorrect. So with the correct slide, you'll see this. Then green arrow, next question. So what happens if they get a wrong answer? Well, wrong answer, let's try again. And you click the arrow and it'll take you right back to the same question. And everything in the background is permanent, so they cannot move anything. Nothing can be manipulated, nothing can be moved. Correct answer is since they got a mushroom in the last slide, Mario is now big, which is the sound that we heard at the beginning. So, wrong answer. Try. So here we are. This is the final, for this level, this is the final question before we go into the boss battle. So the correct answer is, oh. Click to throw. I wanted to make level 2 a little bit harder, so the next level is about Bowser and how they're going to defeat Bowser. So all the coins will be doubled, and they'll have more chances at fireballs. But if you're a true Super Mario fan, then you know fireballs do not kill Bowser. So there is a special twist to that. So level 2 is harder. It has longer division problems. These are your 3 and your 4 as far as how big the numbers are. different sound, so they knew it was level 2. Final question for level 4. Screen. What's really great is anything that you pull from YouTube is free domain. So there is not ever any copyright issues when you deal with anything on YouTube. So maybe you don't want to do all the graphics and everything like I've done in previous slides. You just want something simple of him entering the castle. So that was just a quick example of something you could do that's quick and easy. You can't kill Bowser with a fireball, so he is stunned. So you hit the yellow button. Now you defeated Bowser.
Mario number 1! Woohoo! Thank you so much for playing my game.
Yellow stars just indicates that this is the end of the lesson, and have it anywhere back to just to the start. You can have it start right back over so they can play again, or you can have it linked to even another lesson. But that's about it.
That is awesome, Brianna. I love it. And I love the fact that you took the time for the detail to say, fireball can't kill that, because that is something I think that our students would definitely call you out on. So when you said you can click on the star and it can take you to another lesson or something, could you link that possibly to your Google Classroom or to your to a lesson within there?
Yes, yeah. So all you have to do, let me find it. When you hit it, when you're out, you hit the star. You can hit, if you're a Mac user, it's Command K. And if you're on a PC, it's Control K.
Okay.
But then you can paste a link to a different place you want to go, or to your Google Classroom, wherever you want to go. You can paste it in here and it'll automatically take it anytime they hit it.
That is awesome.
Or, I said you can also link it back to slides in the presentation, the very first slide. So you can go back to the very first slide if they so desire.
Begin again.
Mm-hmm.
Wowzers.
Thank you so much for playing my game.
So if I hit it, it'll take me back to the first slide, and there it is. We can start over again.
So, and you said one of those was that you had put in there was just a video that you had from YouTube, I think, of him entering the castle.
Yes.
So if you had like, say somebody explaining a lesson or explaining a concept, you could put this easily into a slide.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you created if you posted something on YouTube and maybe you didn't want to do a voiceover similar to what I did and you had already created something on YouTube, you can easily pull that video into your lesson and it's there for them to view and overview before they started the
Okay.
activity.
That works. So, and you created this in Google Slides, is that correct?
This is all in Google Slides. There is nothing that links outside. It's all within Google Slides.
So some of those transitions, I know that we did not go over and adding those to our slides, and we haven't really gone over that. But that kind of leads us to our special announcement. After talking today and knowing how cool this, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get our stuff up, but seeing how cool this was and how many questions that we might get about this and us not knowing everything because Brianna is the Google expert, we have decided to have a whole Google Saturday coming up after Christmas break. So it gives you guys some time to really be familiar with Google, what you're using in your classroom now, but then to come with all of the really, really fun questions and maybe have time to work on such an assignment that Brianna showed us. And we're, those level 2 transitions and voiceovers and links and all that fun stuff. But we will set it up for beginners all the way to experts, and it will be January 16th. It will just be a day long. And we have it planned so we don't have to, you're not going to miss something that you want to see. So if you want a session at 9 o'clock on beginner, and that's all you want to work on, and then maybe later someone's presenting something on forms, they're not going to be at the same time. It will just be sessions throughout the day so you can come and go. And we are so excited about that. Usually we offer some in-person PD on Saturdays throughout the fall semester and the spring semester, but with our circumstances, we thought, why not do something fun and do Google and use our new resources on staff? So we hope that you can come to that and put that on your calendar for us. And I'm going to share my screen one last time and put up our emails and our website. So you have Laura's email at the top, mine, and then our website where you can put in suggestions. But we would love, love, love to have you on January 16th and be looking for that information in the Edge to come. And remember to save the date. We will see you guys next week. Laura, what's next week?
Guys.
Oh, I know what is next week.
What is next week?
I'm pretty sure it's TikTok.
It is TikTok.
And I am so pumped.
Another one that I am
so
excited
pumped having
about.
this TikTok in the classroom, and it's going to be fun. So we will see you guys next week, Tuesday at 4. Bye, guys.
See you guys.